Survivor.
Challenge number 1. How to move the cursor. How do I get Kempston? I love this game. Oh fuck, I'm off. There's my alien. H.R. Geiger's alien. Fuck it. I know some guy said to me, don't ruin your keyboard, but fuck it. Right, let's start this game again. Fuck this. Attempt 2 to get Survivor working. Fucking piece of shit. Yeah, does this work? Play the piece of shit. How do you fucking select the controller? Too much of fucking motherfucking arse. The buttons fucking work. Fucking Spanish piece of shite. Fucking keyboard it is in. Fuck this. Fucking bollocks. I'm pissed off already. Blood pressure's going through the roof. I'm jumping around like some fucking spasmo. Right, what controls what? Well, that goes... Right, the controls are back to front. Well, that's fucking useful, that is. Oh, what the fuck is this? I hate swearing. Right, oh no, right. X and C, right. That jumps. Space lets me do not a lot. How do I duck? How do I duck, lads? What the f... Right. I'm a fucking kangaroo. I'm a kangaroo. Oh, I don't know what's going on. Right, down the lift we go. I'm an alien. I'm bored this ship. I think I've got to keep my species going by taking over this ship. There's some eggs and shit. Come here, get off the lift, get out of the lift, get out of the lift, get out of the fucking lift, get out of the lift. Right, we're off. What? Oh no, get the fuck off! He's got a... Unfortunately my alien's got a fucking fetish for lifts, so I can't get him out. Oh, he's fucking in the lift again, you fucking twat! Get the fucking lift! Why are you some sort of fucking lifted it? You can't go that way. Right, turn around, there's a little... Well, you can spit somehow, but it's a bit rude. What's it? Oh, I can't remember this place. What's that spastic? What's that thing there? You can't walk, you can jump far, but you can't walk far. I don't know what's going on. Fuck off. Oh, I can't be arsed with this shit. I didn't sign up to the fucking, YouTube to play this sort of shit. This is a vibe. I've played it a few times. You can eat things. You look like an alien from the film Aliens. You can't. You bloke. It's got control of a spastic. Fucking 2 out of 10. Ain't a great game. Fuck off, Mildred. Another shit game. Ah, oh, fuck it. Fucking bollocks. Space gun. Arcade shooter. In the arcades, obviously. By Tato. I say Tato, you say potato. is rewind to side 2 and press play. I can't be asked, mate. Bollocks, will do. Right, rough. So, we've got some deep space exploration. It's not gone right. Man, dangers in space, yeah. Bastards in space. Everywhere you go, there's bastards. It's a little bit like Aliens. Oh, fucking, what's wrong now? Oh, fucking controls aren't right, are they? Never fucking are. Is it too much to ask? The fucking controls are right. So you shoot aliens, it goes all, it's lovely graphics, but it goes all really horrible and slow as soon as an alien appears. I don't know if you had 2 player, the arcade game you could. I mean, what's going on? Thank you, says somebody. I can't see because there's not enough pixels to see what's going on. You blow them up bit by bit. You throw these fucking uncooked sausages at them, covered in ketchup. There's just too much going on. There's no way possibly you can win. What can I do? There's just too much going on. It was like the arcade games. Operation Wolf was like one of the first shooting games, which, you know, but there wasn't too many creatures on screen at once. They use explosives now. Oh, what have I done? Oh, no, I don't want to do that, lads. And oh, this is too much going on. I'm gonna get 5 out of 10. It's okay. Ain't great shakes. Fuck that game.
That was the magic word, Osterkazoozalem. My oh my, he can do magic, 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 magic a rabbit, 8 feet high. Ha ha, this away, ha ha.